Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the Pilates Roll Up. Starting on your back, legs are straight, heels press into the mat with the feet flexed. Reach the arms up to the ceiling. Now, as you reach your arms up, make sure you don't poke your ribs up to the ceiling too. You want your back ribs nice and heavy into the mat. From here, you lift your chin towards your chest and you start rolling up one vertebra at a time, reaching your fingertips forward, but pulling the ribs and waist back. So I'm never collapsing over the legs and I'm never straightening the spine, right? The spine stays rounded, the ribs and waist pull back, and there's always that two-way stretch happening. From here, to start rolling down, I curl the tailbone under and start moving from the pelvis first. As I go down, I pace my spine on the mat, one vertebra at a time, until the head is down. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, you can start with the arms back by the ears. This is much harder for me, but as you reach your arms back, you lift your chin to your chest, keep the arms by the ears, and then round forward. As you can see, I skipped a bunch of vertebra there. You want to peel that spine off the mat one vertebra at a time, and then pace the spine one vertebra at a time as you come back down. Now, if you're like me and have an archy low back, it's nice to use a towel to place under the back for that closed chain so your spine has something to push into. So this one's a little too high. I could use a smaller towel. But you place that towel on the small of the back. You're able to push the low back into something. Reach the arms up, chin to chest, roll the spine up. And it's easier to peel the spine off of the floor that way. And then roll back down. If you need a modification for your roll up, you have the option to keep your knees slightly bent and grab behind the thighs. Curl the chin to the chest, and as you roll up, you can use your hands along the thighs to help you up. Reaching the arms forward as you're at the top. If you can straighten your legs at the top, that's nice. If you can't, keep them slightly bent. And then same way as you come up, you go down. So walking the hands down as you come down. And again, just use your strength of your arms to help you up. You can reach your arms forward, or you can just keep them behind the legs and then walk your hands down. And I hope that helps you on your Pilates journey.